Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to share with you Forex easy and simple strategy. But first we open Euro GBP in 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need RSI indicator with change some settings. If RSI indicator cross red color 30 level line downside, then we take sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If RSI indicator cross green color 70 level line upside, then we take buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.